Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an awesome video for you guys. Keeney has the questions on her phone. We're going to be doing a collab, not a collab. What tag are we doing again? The cat tag? The animal tag. I think it was the animal tag.
I can't do this.
It was weird. Okay, so the first question is, what kind of tea? Number one, are you more rambunctious or more creative? What do you say?
I'm rambunctious.
I think I'm rambunctious too. So that means that you're more of a donkey. But if you're more creative, you're more of like a monkey. So I guess we're donkeys. Number two. Are you Are you happy or sad right now? I'm pretty happy.
Pretty sad.
I'm happy.
I'm sad.
If you're sad, you're a penguin.
Oh, okay.
And if you're happy,
you're a horse.
You're a horse. So that's all for our animal tag.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye!